coupons and deals. We will be delivering to you a tailored coupon and deal relevant to your social activity and interest. So let's say you connect to the app and you do things you already do on Facebook. We will deliver to you a tailored coupon or deal relevant to your activity. Yeah, yeah. Now the app is available on the US App Store, and now we have all coupons and deals from third-party sites. We are connected through an API to Groupon, Mighty Deals, Retail Me Not, and we are getting those deals and coupons, and we are redistributing them to users based on their behavior and activities and interests. So that's what we do. Actually, they pay us 6 to 10% of each coupon or deal redirected from our platform to their platform. It's 6 to 10% because based on the on different sites, Groupon offer 6%, where Mighty Deals may offer you 10% for each redirected deal. So we only do this. We are only connected to third-party sites, and we redirect deals from our platform to their platform. Actually, when we applied to this competition, we were in the idea stage, and we are on the App Store 4 days ago. What do we need now? We are now on a growth plan. We are iOS only app, where we have a growth plan to acquire more users, and in 6 months and after 6 months, our target is to get native brands to our platform and not to only have the 6-10% coupons redirected from other sites. What do we need now? We are a team of 5. We need fund to grow our user base. We don't have an exact plan to funding plan, so we are on it. It's not done yet. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
She's in the toilet.
presentation تاعنا هلا ولا بكره؟
هلا but what's great is that judges will take 5 minutes break, so
Now?
they will come fresh again.
I don't know if that's good.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
يكونوا مريحين راسهم ليس
مشان نصحصح.
بزحزح.
ايه صحصحوا معنا. صحصحوا معنا.
Good.
بالضبط.
ايه شغال. لا. TP Link ولا events or try events or Udemy. This is the router. خويا محويلك
الحمد لله.
لاباس نهار طويل اليوم شويه
نهار طويل.
شغال.
يعني منظر بس هون بالكاميرا بالفيديو.
Let's start. So next team is Gravilo.
وين بدك وقف؟ هون منيح؟ Start. Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Reem Sharha, and this is my partner Hosni Abu Samra, and we're from Palestine, and we're representing Gravilook. We're here to introduce a new way to take care of women health. We're introducing an application, an intelligent, interactive applications, and a secured cloud system that help take care of the pregnant woman to help her have a healthier pregnancy and safer delivery through mobile application and technology. Unlike existing pregnancy applications that provide only basic and simple content and static content as well, we're trying to provide an interactive application with specialized, personalized content for the pregnant woman throughout her pregnancy that help her monitor and track her health and her fetus. And also, due to the absence of shareable electronic medical records, we're providing an electronic medical report that's shareable and for free lifetime that enables the doctor to track and monitor the health of her woman. The content is personalized and the woman can share her electronic medical report with all the authorized doctor when needed and where needed. By integrating both solutions, doctors can monitor and track the health of the woman and her fetus only having the records right in their pocket. Our revenue and business model, we have different revenue streams, basically through the e-commerce, shopping through our application, SMS with mobile operators, and sorry, and subscriptions for advanced features on the electronic medical record. Now giving the mic for my partner Husni to present.
Thank you. We have achieved so far the main achievements. We have the app is already on the App Store. We have over 30,000 of downloads on iOS. It's there available. The Android version is gonna be released within a week, hopefully. We got also a partnership agreement with Souk.com, which is #1 online shopping marketplace in the Gulf. Also a partnership agreement with Mom's World, who are specialized in pregnancy and maternity stuff. We also were the first Arab company to make it to the finalist of Mass Challenge. We've been there in Boston for 4 months, where we designed the application from a medical perspective under supervision of doctors at Harvard. We also got the best Intel business plan in Palestine. So at the end, we think really we are going to change the world in the health of women. We are already introducing a new way for women care, and we think we also have a very solid business model. So we think we have okay. Just the last sentence is we look for second round of investment as we had our seed investment, and we need your support to expand. Thank you very much. Yes, the app is free.
We can download it and we cannot show it, right? We can keep in the phone.
Yes.
Yeah, well,
No, paid. The private, the doctor private. It's a second visa.
the secondary stuff that we're working on a website that will have a rich and trusted content on the website, and we have advisory board where you can check. So this is
400K for 18 months. It's gonna be for half of the budget for the development, advanced features, and development of other tools. The other half is for marketing and business
And
reach.
as for the marketing, we have applications in two languages. We mainly focusing on the Gulf area. And in the Gulf area, we have to connect with hospitals, doctors, because this is a system that can be integrated on the hospital. Doctor can all what they need is an access, a username and a password, and adding a patient, and they can look and keep track with everyone. So what we need, what we're really looking for, we need to add more features to make it rich and help and make it easier, save efforts, save money, and save time. We know, but like older generation, if I want to be pregnant next year or next, we all use smartphone. It's really easy. You want to have that's why, yeah. It's
It's
personalized.
personalized.
It's personalized.
No, actually the app based first when she downloads the app, we ask her few questions to create the electronic medical record for her, and based on her health status, we deliver a customized content for her.
And
Yeah.
that's linked to electronic medical record. The electronic medical record, everything she enters goes directly to her record. And in the records, the design of records, gynecologists and specialists that have studied in Harvard University that are really specialized. You know, like for us, business with IT, we don't really have the background what they really need for and what they're looking for. The test, the medical test, the medical history, the family history, and all of that. So it's linked together, and
That is
you can check all what you need is just download the application and have a username on the website and an authorized doctor. And also there is this really special thing that I would love to really share about. We have a system that allows the pregnant woman to have her medical record with her wherever she wants to go. Like for example, if she had an emergency and she had to be admitted and she like everyone in a different place and the doctor that she needs is not there. All what they need is to get in a username 30 seconds and they have there her blood test, her history medical record, everything she needs. And at the same time, we can give her, she has the power to share her. She can have secondary opinion and it's under her control. She gives the password and access for another doctor to check it. Or she can change the doctor directly and decided to use a different doctor. The whole medical record. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Dealing with medical records, you know, they're very personal and very,
Sure.
you know, very
Definitely. Highly sensitive.
Secure.
Yeah.
Right.
sensitive. So
Yeah.
what do you have in mind if you were to make a holistic system with, for example,
Yeah.
you want to go to a private sector medical care center and you know, the public sector? How do you intend to integrate that? Are you actually following some set
Yes,
guidelines
yes, yes.
that are
Okay.
done by the
Yeah,
ministry to
yeah,
follow?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yes. For this security, of course, it's the main thing is the secured applications. First of all, our system is fully secured. We have SSL certificate, so all transaction is fully encrypted. They are hosted in the States, so nobody can access any medical record except the doctor him or herself. Even we don't have access to those, and we don't need.
Some countries need to, some countries need to have their medical records stored in the country itself, not outside. So you need to.
Okay.
In Palestine, actually, in the point of fire team that we have in Syrian Committee that follow a program, there is a facility that is called History Hub. So we're keeping that in the hub, and they give us advices on what to do and what next. Because what we're saying, that's why we're here. We want to know and we want to contact the people who can help us to know exactly what to do. Because it's an application that it should be also customized for all the areas that it's targeting. In the Gulf area,
prepared around the world. 90% of them are considered from developing countries living in low income. So we have two segments of customers. And sadly, the number they also we can estimate it as 20 to 60,000 and can be recovered after 3 months. If we assume only 70% are going to use our app, so the profit is more than $1 billion, and the cost is less than 1 million. So the cost rate is very high. We adopt agile methodology. This is going to give you. Okay, I was talking about this. Okay.
We're gonna read it. Don't worry
Yeah,
about
it's fine.
it.
It's
Pretty clear.
Okay. Okay. Cool. How do you plan to get this technology to users, to blind people?
Blind people, as you see it in motion blind civilization, are going to provide them with an app.
And what countries are we talking about? Just to know at the beginning, or?
First Ukraine, Sudan, Arab region, and secondly eventually cover Europe, and there's also three person, one African, one India.
All blind people in the world. Every third blind person in the world is Indian.
Mudana, I like your project. It has a noble cause, to be honest. But I have a question. How blind people will open the camera?
Security is going to transport back from your bill. You can launch the app easily.
You cannot see.
There's very strong
Oh, it's speaking.
accessibility.
It's speaking. Right.
There's very strong
We
accessibility tools already in the
modified the
phone.
interface. It was based interface. Now we add a speech-based interface, so you can. Let me see.
I tried it with them yesterday. It's good.
But
They
like,
can use the keyboard. They can use it. Unmuted. Then press double tap on the name. And there is also face-based interface. Voice-based interface through command. As you can see in the
Can you go back to the marketing channels? Yes. Yeah. Okay, here. What is hacking WhatsApp?
Having WhatsApp is a webinar we attended. They basically sending us this through website. They're writing the WhatsApp code through WhatsApp.
The broadcast.
Webinar from I think
What's the stage of the product right now? Because this is idea stage, right?
no, not idea. Look.
You guys already have clients?
I think you guys you should see the demo.
we don't have.
Do we have
Can
a
you just
sound on the laptop or no?
Sure. Okay, how can we hear sound?
So here's something.
Okay. Now I'm taking the picture from different point of view. Optimally 20 pictures.
Of each object has a picture.
As you want.
Is there a possibility to have a library though that's painting this? So this is like many objects are similar. So everyone, so imagine how many objects each of us has in our house.
Unlimited objects.
I know, but you have to add each one, but many objects are standard.
Look. Now the ting sound when he finds the object. When I switching, there's no sound. When again, ting, just like gold detector. Look, until letter C, there is many objects. Look, ting. I flip it. Look, flip it. There's still partially appear, still detected. Oh, face recognition. Mahmoud, say Mahmoud.
وقف يلا وقف وقف اعمل
Mahmoud. Ahmad. 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 Okay. Um, our algorithm is sophisticated, as you can see. Very sophisticated.
I'm just curious about the process of you guys have made this thing. Have many people been using it? That many blind people been using it?
Actually,
Fit their needs?
we, as I said, we adopt agile. So in every sprint, we're going back to the stakeholders in our university, in Khartoum. We're going talking with them, right?
So how many of them how many blind people have actually used it in their daily life?
We didn't deploy it fully, but just test this feature. Okay, it's worked. Okay, fine.
You had blind
Any
people
feedback?
who-
Even
I'm just wondering,
if
do blind people want to walk around with their telephones like this?
for searching when you want.
They do want to?
Yeah, I think we can build a sophisticated hardware in glass or in ring. Well, I have a bug.
So basically, though, I think what we should do is, because we're sitting like this, so we're not seeing close.
Hello.
تسجيل هذاك مش
Ok, pour la caméra. Ok, merci beaucoup. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Okay. So, dear jurors, hello and thank you for being here today. My name is Ayman and I'm here representing Serenify from Tunisia. First, I would like to start with a short story about Sarah. Sarah is a woman living a normal life in San Francisco who posted a new selfie on her Facebook, just like everybody else does. And it happens that one of her friends on Facebook is a dermatologist who saw a suspicious spot on her neck. So he asked her to come by his office, and guess what? That suspicious spot turned out to be skin cancer at a very early stage. Can you believe it? Her life was saved through a picture. In fact, every second person in this room encounters a skin disease at least once a year. That's 50%. But what do we do about it the first thing we get a skin disease? We go to the doctor. We don't, because it takes a lot of time, effort, and mobility to schedule an appointment with a dermatologist. And you end up losing the whole day waiting in the office for a 20-minute, very expensive consultation. So what happens next? We just turn into self-diagnosis, Googling the symptoms on the internet, and turning into a very dangerous habit spreading in Africa and the Middle East, which is automedication. So we have a solution, introducing Serenify. Serenify offers a safe, affordable, and remote medical diagnosis through our web platform or our mobile application. How does it work? It's quite simple, actually. All you have to do is just take 2 pictures of your skin defection, then you answer a medical questionnaire predefined by our medical experts. You pay your consultation. It all gets sent to our doctors. They diagnose your case and send you the right treatment. And even better than that, they keep following up with your case even after 15 days. All this process while you're still anonymous. And if you're not satisfied, you get your money back. Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, but I mean, you're probably asking yourselves, is this really reliable? Well, we have the scientific proof that up to 90% of all skin problems can be evaluated using medical photo analysis. And by skin problems, I mean rashes, acne, molds, skin irritations, and even sexual transmitted diseases. So, for our business model, how are we making profit? Actually, we have 2 customer segments. We have the patients and the doctors. The patients, they can choose between regular consultations under 48 hours at a cost of $19 or urgent consultations in under 12 hours cost $29. We take a service fee of 17% on every consultation. As for doctors,
they can choose between two types of regular monthly subscriptions. One is limited and the other one is unlimited. How big is the opportunity? Well, our studies tell us that we have 12 million potential customers in the MENA region. And why we chose the MENA region is because they have, for example, for the UAE and the KSA, we have 74% smartphone penetration, which is the highest in the world. And we have 39% internet penetration and enormous growth potential. We are mainly engineers, but you cannot call yourself a healthcare company unless you have someone with medical background. Sorry. If you have any questions, please. We have Dr. Aziz Matri, who is a telemedicine expert, well reputed in Tunisia. He actually started the foundation of telemedicine in Tunisia. And we have Professor Ziad Zarouk, who is a senior medical advisor at one of the biggest pharmaceutical companies in Tunisia. Yeah. We've been iterating our minimum viable product for the last 6 months. We've been developing it. Actually, we had a beta test on some customers, family and friends, and we're already testing with 4 doctors that are willing to use our service. Liability. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. From a technical point of view, we're doing a consultation just like in the real world, but from a legal point of view, in the terms and conditions of our app, we tell our customers that this does not replace a real appointment with a doctor. It can serve as a second opinion, or it can serve as a first opinion before going actually to the doctor, but we're offering the same service as the doctor. Yeah, we did. Actually, this is a startup stage, and like I said, we have been building our minimum viable product for the last period, and we're actually now looking for investment deals. We got approached locally in Tunisia, and we had a deal in Dubai by a Turn 8 accelerator, but unfortunately, we didn't go there for visa issues. Yes. It's pub- no, we didn't start generating revenue. We're just testing on family and friends. We're actually working with split testing. We're testing some functionalities with some customers and other functionalities with other customers. It's like A/B testing. So we're testing it on like 20 people. We have 4 doctors. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Even in North Africa, that's quite less than 60% of the regular consultation at the doctor's office, the price. So it's like a good deal. For exactly. Actually, this was not our idea for the doctors to pay with us. One of the doctors actually suggested this because they can make more money. It only takes 5 minutes to make a consultation. They can work remotely. We can offer them mobility to work wherever they want, and they can get access to offshore clients. But this is, for now, this is the only revenue model we have. But we're thinking about other things because one of our advisors is working in a medical, in a pharmaceutical company. They suggested that we get all the data about the diseases, I mean, the allergies of the customers, what medicine is the most prescribed in every region, and then we can leverage all that data into smart data and sell it to pharmaceutical companies. And even better than that, the last few days we've been brainstorming about how we can suggest, based on behavior of our customers, skin products related to their problems. I mean, cosmetic maybe products, something like that. Yes, of course, we have mainly 2 competitors. If I can show you in the slide. Okay. For now, our main 2 competitors are Midlanes in Germany and Spruce Health in the US. Spruce Health are based in California. They're working only in the California state. They charge you $40 and they're available only on the iOS platform. As for Midlanes, they work only through web and email. and they're both working on the same sector we're working on, which is dermatology.
I think you guys, if you can position yourself,
Yeah.
I get you. But we have a better proposition.
بس هو كان يعني حلو لو كان في حد معاه يعني يخفف علي يعني هو كيو ان اي ياخذ وقت لا لا مش مسألة توتر عادي يعني
It's not fair for you. Just
انا لا ما الحمد لله ايوه احس انه في احد خلاص علشان كذا نحصل
Okay. Thank you very much.
بس لك الحين دخلوا شوفي انا سوينا كذا براكتس 2 minutes and 30 seconds 2 minutes ما خلصوا يلا بس خليك على راحتك take a deep breath لا 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 والله لا ما في مشكلة بس خليك على طابع لا بس علي صوتك شوية علي صوتك شوية
and size XL at another. That's why the rate of returns in Arab world is about 20 to 40%. Sweetit will be the solution. Sweetit will create the first virtual fitting room in the Arab world. We make shopping. We want to make shopping online simple, and to do that for you guys, we gathered an awesome team. PhD students, 3 engineers. 2 of us are graphic designers, and we are mobile developers. The solution is Sweetit. Sweetit will be the first virtual fitting room in the Arab world. It will create, we have our smartphones. All what's necessary are few photos, your height, and you will be able to create your 3D avatar that looks like you. Then, your 3D avatar will virtually try on mini clouds online as you are in a real fitting room. And the application will cost about $25,000. About the business model, the application will be 100% free for the application users, and we will expect a commission on the sale price of each sold item. This commission is the responsibility of the brand. So, you investors, you partner brands, you technological partners, you should invest. Why? Because the market of clouds it's not big, it's huge. And we have a lot of perspectives. We want to create a wardrobe connected in which the user can put his clothes, so he can try a pant that he have bought 3 months ago with a t-shirt. So thanks. Yeah, it's an idea.
This 3D rendering technology, have you developed that yourself or you're using some kind of ready-made kit? Or
We'll
using
we'll develop it. We haven't developed it yet. We'll develop it.
you will, okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty hard stuff.
It's really hard, but it's possible. It's not impossible. It's something possible. Yeah. And we are 4 developers, and we have capacity, so we want to create a perfect product.
Is there any company exists doing similar?
There is companies, but not in the Arab world. Yeah, in the Arab world there is no company. It's the first virtual fitting room. It will be the first virtual fitting room in the Arab world. I want because in the future that will exist in the Arab world. So we want to be the first to do that. Yeah.
I'm unaware that probably Shanana Fashion Europe actually have a concept. Shanana Fashion Europe, they have a concept store in Dubai. That in Dubai. I think
They use how they use this application. I don't
they don't
think.
use the application, but they use
A
a similar
similar Connect, maybe Connect, or there is there is a similar conception. I've told you that it's not in the Arab world, but maybe we'll find one of them. But I think that they don't use a simple concept. We want to do, yeah.
I don't understand the simple part of it because it sounds like a cool idea, but it sounds very difficult.
In
Because every
technical,
item-
yeah.
Well, because you need to get the measurements of the person. So you
Yeah,
want a 3D
yeah,
avatar.
yeah.
That seems like the easy part. The idea of having every article of clothing, because you're saying that this article of clothing, how will it fit on that person? Meaning you need very accurate measurements of that
Yeah.
article of clothing, and then to be able to show how it fits.
Yeah.
So every article of clothing needs to be somehow
Yes.
incredibly
Yeah, yeah.
precisely measured in different, not just the size,
Yeah.
but in different parts of it. And how does it fit on my arm? So it's
Yeah.
measurements that are even beyond.
Yeah.
So that seems like
That's
you
not.
you don't need a store to say agree. You need a store to say agree and then spend.
They give us information.
A month,
The brands that
somehow,
they
yeah.
give
Yeah.
us information about
Brands
the
they
size.
Yeah,
Clothes.
they will give us their technical information, and we will give them an application that will change their work. Yeah.
Thank you.
Again, I mean, this one sounds like the other.
It's okay.
an R&D project.
Yeah.
As much as a startup. I mean, it'd probably be, I don't know, a year or two of research to figure out how to do it. So
No, we will just do tests.
do tests.
Yeah. We'll create the application and we will do a lot of tests. And
To make
after
sure
that, to
that
make
the
sure that
results
the
are-
result will be
Yeah.
it will
Good
be
result.
okay. It will be good. We want to create a perfect product. We don't create just a product.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
كتبنا يس.
Next team is Kutubna من Egypt. Good evening. لحظة relax. You made it. Yes. Yes. Hopefully. Okay. Right, left. شو بدك؟ حاضر. التايمر عندك رح يطلع على السكرين 3 دقائق. ماشي الحال؟ ما بعد. تست هيدا لهون بس خليه Should I start?
When you're ready,
I'm ready.
let's go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mohammed Gamal, founder of Kutubna. And like this young Arab unpublished author, I'm also writing comics and short stories. And when I went to publishers to publish my books, I found it very hard to publish in Egypt, where I belong, and the rest of Arab world, because there is two types of publishers. One don't want to take the risk with someone who never published before. People don't know his name or his books. And the second, ask for a lot of money, okay, to print you like 500 copies, and he also take a huge percentage, like 70 or 80% from whatever you sell. So, and because I work in IT industry for the last 10 years, I know for a fact that there is millions of Arab people who use their smartphones, tablets, and computers to read books. And there is another fact that Arab interest in download ebooks has doubled 6 times at the last 5 years. So I thought to myself, why not to build an alternative publishing solution based on technology, based on this opportunity. So I quit my job. I start building something called Kutubna. Kutubna is the Arab word for our books. It's a self online publishing platform. It's the only self-publishing platform in Arab world. It helps young talented Arab authors to publish their books, whether it's comics, it's novels, it's research, whatever the content they like to publish. And to make it available for readers in our board to read it via their smartphones, tablets, and computers. So all you have to do as an author is to go kutubna.net, sign up for an account, pay for a small subscription fee, and submit your book. It becomes live for people to buy through a wide range of payment methods. Then you get 60% of your sales, okay? All right, Kutubna is not just an idea. We've operating for the last 8 months. We're launched our website, mobile application, Android, Windows Phone, and Windows 10 application. We've done developing our iOS application. It will come very soon. We published more than 230 live books for more than 200 authors. We have like 7,000 users using online on your desktop or on your laptop, and you can download it, the application, and read it offline.
So I download PDF.
You download encrypted PDF on the application, so it's secured with encryption algorithm and etc. But you can't open it as a PDF itself. It's like you can open it in a reader like Kindle and Nook and etc.
You know, in our part of the world,
Yes.
the copyright
Exactly.
are very good, you know.
Yeah,
So
I know.
Serious about the
Yes.
copyrights,
Yeah.
So, I mean, how are you gonna save that from the author? Like
Okay.
someone can download it for PDF
Yes.
and just get spread it like 20 times.
Like I said, the PDF is encrypted.
Okay.
It's secured. We are doing our best to use the best encryption methods and update our methods to save the intellectual property of the writer. So this is an issue, and the other issue, we're focusing on young talented people. So crowdsourced content are not usually, have a lot of attention to be hacked. Okay, like YouTube videos, like okay, crowdsourced content is not like you hack Ala Al Aswani book or Yusuf Zidan book, etc. Okay.
This is the long tail.
Yes, it's a long tail, exactly.
Cool, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pete. Thank you.
Wait, how much money have you actually earned so
We've in the last 8 months, we sell for like 50,000 Egyptian pounds. It's like $8,000. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good luck, Shabab. Good luck.
Hello.
You take this.
Sunlight just a bit.
Yeah, the sleeping, Mark. What are you doing? Now everyone can see it. Can you please put your laptop and hold?
Okay, we're gonna do one more pitch, then we'll go for a break, lunch break. All right, and then we'll come back.
This pitch or
This pitch, no, this pitch, and then we'll go for a break.
Do we go through and figure which ones?
We have listed, I shared it with Dana, which one is startup and ideas, so we'll keep track afterwards. Okay, مش الحال؟ لا حطيت اليو اس بي مروان give me the
No.
USB clicker. Where's the laptop?
احنا فيديو
لا لا
by the
مو
way.
مشكلة اتس اوكي الله مش مشكلة
ما
أنا
بدك.
ما في مشكلة أنا أقول. هون هون يمين أو شمال تعال عندي عندي هون هون عندي اتس اوكي شكرا
اوكي
أستاذ مايك اوكي يس يس
Note taking. Why people need note taking? simply because we need to reduce the load on our brains. There's a lot of thoughts and uses that crosses your mind every day. We need to take some of these ideas and thoughts out of the brain and put them somewhere safe where we can get back to whenever we want to. We found out that one of the best methods in note-taking is sticky notes. Why? I'll make a quick comparison between it and one of the latest technologies in note-taking, which is mobile apps. In sticky notes, you have a huge space to spread your notes at, the walls and the objects. But mobile apps, notes are stacked above each other's, locked inside that 5.5-inch screen of yours. Ideas are free. You need to spread them, not imprison them. In mobile apps, you know how hard it is to go through like 50 points or even more to finally find the note that you're looking for, especially after a busy day at work? But with sticky notes, you grow a relationship, a history between you, the note you wrote, and the place you placed it at, which makes it very easy for you to locate that note whenever you need it. But still, mobile apps are better when it comes to privacy and editing and portability and what else? Notifications. Yeah. So what if we could combine mobile apps and sticky notes in one thing? What if we can give you a mobile app that gives you the ability to take your room with you wherever you go? Also, have your notes placed exactly where you want them to be inside that virtual copy of your room. As you can see here, my shopping list is on the kitchen's door. What if we can give you a list of very simple options that can make your daily decision making a very simple and easy thing for you to do? Let's have a quick tour, please. So now you have reminders to remind you how long it's been since you cut your nails, for example. How long it's been since you got a haircut. Also, you have pointers. Yeah. Sorry. Also, pointers to remind you about the broken stuff inside your brain out loud.
What's the name?
Lob app. Lob, yeah. So it's like this, you know, Lob, and also like this, LB, and yeah.
So, have you guys? Or I should probably ask. How did you figure out this is this is a problem?
That sorry.
That this is a problem, right? How did you come to the idea of doing this?
Yes. Now, actually, I tried other applications. I tried them all. I felt that they are very boring. They don't how to say this, like mind doesn't work this way. You know, you see something, the mind projects ideas and notes about things when you see them. So I just wanted to make that visually clear to everyone. That's it.
How are you planning to make money?
Yes. First of all, Google AdSense. We're going to start with this, but it's going to be very targeted, not like any other apps. Okay, and then we will replace it with sponsored advertisements. Okay, and also, yeah, premium subscriptions. Okay, when we have a very a huge base of users, and also there's a a fun part which is selling special rooms. Like celebrity rooms, famous sites. People like that kind of stuff.
Where are you? I mean, the app it's already been developed and published, or not yet?
Not yet, actually. We have everything ready. Like our programmers are, just waiting actually for the money, the funds. That's
how much is that?
Yeah. The capital for our startup is going to be 55.